Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TikTok privacy controls and data deletion, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from TikTok privacy controls, open your TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once on your profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on privacy. Scroll down. You will see options for ad personalization and data sharing. Here, you can toggle off the options for personalized ads and data collection. To ensure further privacy, return to the settings menu. Select security from the list. Look for the option labeled Download Your Data and click on it. Follow the prompts to request your data download if you haven't done so already. Wait for TikTok to prepare your data, which may take some time. Once your data is ready, you will receive a notification. Next, to delete your account, go back to the settings menu. Tap on Manage Account. Scroll down and select Delete Account. Follow the instructions on the screen to confirm your decision. You may need to enter a reason for your departure and verify your identity. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that it may take up to 30 days for your data to be completely erased. During this period, you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. After 30 days, your data will be permanently deleted from TikTok's servers. With these steps, you have successfully withdrawn from TikTok privacy controls and initiated the data deletion process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.